Great weather reminds us of spring cleaning. Hi, I'm Susan. Spring cleaning when I was a kid consisted of pulling all the furniture out, cleaning the rugs, cleaning the carpet, unloading all of your cabinets and drawers and new shelf paper and all of those things. Today, spring cleaning means a lot more to all of us. Besides the inside and really getting it organized and clean, we think about our exterior. We've spent a lot of time outside and enjoying outdoor gatherings over the last year, so let's make sure that we're on top of what we should be looking at in the spring. Of course, downspouts and gutters should always be maintained. Spring's a great time to check to make sure those are all good for any of the spring storms that we may have. Cleaning your air conditioner and having it serviced, do it now. Don't wait till it gets so hot that the service companies are so well in demand that you have a big delay. We also want to make sure that you're looking at tree branches and limbs, making sure that you're taking care of any that could be dead or could be dying to protect anything from falling on your house or your outdoor furniture. When we talk about trimming, mulch, planting, this is the time of year. They always say right around Mother's Day is the safest time to plant our perennials and annuals in small tender shrubs. So now let's take those days and really make sure that we're making the appeal of our house, whether it be backyard or front yard, what we love to visit. Outside entertaining also includes getting your sprinkler system up to par. If you have a swimming pool, scheduling that opening, and just making sure you're looking at all of the exterior maintenance. One of the things that we find that we're coaching people on a lot of times when they're getting ready to sell a house is power washing. Whether it be your siding or your driveways or your porches, making sure that that's done to maintain, again, how your siding and concrete wears. When you're looking at taking care of your outside, make sure you're checking your decks and porches if any of the handrails need to be tightened or taken care of. And also look for trip hazards, things that can be maintained and can be repaired at little cost. If you have any questions about outside, curb appeal, details, tips and hints, let us know. We'd sure like to help you.